In this video, I will explain you about all the different trading fees we have when leverage trading futures on the platform BTCC. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on BTCC, you simply have to go down to the first link in the video description. Then you will get to exactly this page right here and you can get up to $10,000 in bonuses. To create your account, you simply have to enter your email address right here and set a password or use your Google or Apple account and then you're ready to go. Once you have created an account and you log in for the first time, to check out your bonuses, simply go up here to benefits and click on exclusive to new users. Then you can see an overview of the different missions you need to complete in order to get these bonuses. For example, the first one you can get directly after the sign up, then after you've made your first deposit and opened your first trades. And as you can see down here, the more you deposit and trade over time, the higher of a bonus you can get, with a total of up to $10,000. So first of all, let's talk about the order fees that always occur when opening and closing a position. As you can see, we have two different fee rates on BTCC. We have a so-called taker fee that sits at 0.045%, and the taker fee you always have to pay when you're using a market order. And the second fee is the so-called maker fee, which sits at 0.025%, so a bit lower. And the maker fee you will always have to pay when you're using a limit order. The fee rates are always calculated on the position size and occur when opening and closing a position. Here you can see a quick comparison of BTCC to other exchanges, and as you can see, we are definitely on the lower end, so the fees on BTCC are definitely a bit lower than on other exchanges. As you can see, especially for the taker fee, most other exchanges are a bit more expensive, so that is definitely a good aspect of BTCC. To give you an example calculation of those fee rates, if you open a $1,000 position size with a market order, you would need to pay 45 cents as a fee, and with a limit order you would have to pay 25 cents of a fee. In general, the fee rates for trading futures are definitely extremely low, especially if you compare that to the spot market. And also if you think about how much the Bitcoin price can go up or down, these small percentages don't really make up too much, especially compared to the actual profits or losses you will make with the trading. The second fee we also have is the so-called funding fee, and you can always see that up here. It consists of a rate and a countdown. First of all, that countdown will reset every 8 hours, and this fee only applies to you if you have a position opened exactly in the second when this countdown right here reaches 0. And this is actually not a fee to the platform like the order fees, but instead it's just a shift between long and short positions. And this funding rate right here can change depending on the current market conditions. It can be positive or negative. If it is positive, you would have to pay it as a long position and you would get it funded as a short position. And if it would be negative, as it currently is, then you would need to pay it as a short position and you would actually get it funded as a long position. So it's just a simple shift between longs and shorts. And of course, as you can also see, the rate is pretty low and can also change depending on the time. And sometimes you can even get something credited. Don't forget to create an account on BTCC by using the link down from the video description to get up to $10,000 in bonuses. And if you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.